This video tutorial I will explain how to change the default port in Spring Boot application using YAML file configuration. Spring Boot supports YAML based properties configuration to run the application. Instead of application properties file, we can use application YAML file, and application YAML file we have to place inside the class path. Here we are specifying server port as 9090. Here you can see YAML file. First we will install the YAML editor, then we will open this file. Click on Eclipse Marketplace. Search for YAML, and here you can see YAML editor. Install that. YAML editor is installed successfully, and here you can see. And default port of Spring Boot application is 8080, and we are changing to 9090 using server port property. I am running this Spring Boot application. Here you can see the Spring Boot application is started in 9090 port. Eight zero 8080 port is not working because we have changed to 9090 port. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.